back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa, and if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. For today's video, I'm doing another Everlane haul. I'm super excited to be working with them again. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Everlane. Everything about their company I just absolutely love. Everything is made in ethical factories, it is very sustainable, and everything is made to last a long time. I also wanted to share these Everlane pieces with you guys today because it is so important to have really good quality closet staples. For me, it has helped me narrow down my wardrobe a lot. I used to be someone that had like a ton of clothes because they were all really bad quality and I knew they wouldn't last forever. So it's definitely great to start getting better quality pieces that are ethically made. It is just better for the environment, and I really wanted to share with you guys these pieces also because I feel like they would make really great closet staples. Whether or not you want to get them in other colors that might work better for your wardrobe, then you can also head on over to Everlane because they offer all of their pieces in multiple colors, which is one thing that I love. So you can always find something that you will like on their website. But these are just pieces that will withstand the test of time, as well as are great to have in your wardrobe because you can style them a ton of different ways. So we can go ahead and jump right into it. I can't wait to share with you guys what I've got. So we can actually start off with what I'm wearing right now. It's just a cashmere polo. This is my new favorite Everlane piece. It is seriously so soft, so cozy. It fits me like perfectly. It's like the perfect oversized fit. So I absolutely love the fit and the color, but it does come in other colors. I went ahead and also chose it in the navy color just because I knew that it was a super cute, just like fun, basic. I love the like polo cut of it, but it's like a sweater. That's just so nice. It's very lightweight, but still keeps you warm. So also got it in the navy color as well. This is definitely a closet staple that I think you guys should pick up. Next, more recently, they have added Activewear to their website, and I've been absolutely loving it. The fabric is so figure flattering. So I went ahead and picked out this little set. I love the color of this. It's a really, really nice neutral. So here is just the sports bra, and then here are the matching leggings. Now they have just like a regular legging that I absolutely love. I will share those with you guys also, but these newer ones have pockets on the side. I love these pockets. I always end up putting like my cell phone or my keys in them when I do go out for like a hike. So this is a fun little set. And these are those same leggings that I just showed you guys in the black color. You can never have enough black leggings. And again, they have the pocketing on the side. So these are just going to be perfect for my workouts. I love these. Again, the fabric is just so nice and stretchy, and it really hugs your body in all the right places. The next thing is another really great closet staple, and that is just having a basic, good quality sweater that fits you nicely and again is going to last. So that's why I love any of the sweaters they make are just amazing, but this one is just a really nice classic fit that everyone should have within their closet. This one is just like a really pretty gray, like heathered marble texture looking colors to it. It has like a few different colors in here, but overall it's just gray. And I did go ahead and actually pick it out in this really pretty blue color. Again, as I mentioned, whenever they come out with colors, they're just so pretty. I usually gravitate only towards neutrals, but Everlane does color just so well. I always say that. So I got it in this pretty blue color as well. I just thought these were really great. Again, they fit nicely. They're a little bit oversized, and I love that about them. All right, next I'm sharing with you guys two pairs of pants. These are actually corduroy. They are super soft. Usually when you're looking at like corduroy pieces, they're not stretchy and they can be kind of stiff, but not when it comes to Everlane. Everything, again, nice stretch to it, very comfortable, very figure flattering. So I picked these up. They have like a little bit of a wide leg at the bottom, and then they have the waistband that stretches at the top. They have these really cute pocket detailing on them. I loved this color when I saw it. And then they also come in this beautiful clay color, which is just a very beautiful neutral. I cannot wait to style these as well. Again, super comfy with that stretch waistband. These pants can also be easily paired with so many different things. You can dress them up or down, so that's why I think these are great to have as a closet piece as well. So I own like several Everlane just like basic casual cotton t-shirts. They are perfect. I love them so much. And I went ahead and got one in a long sleeve in this really pretty like green color. But I have this in a short sleeve. I have it in a crop. I have it in a tank. that is how much I love it. And again, they have been through the wash so many times and they are looking just as good as new. So you always know that you're getting a good quality basic when you get them from Everlane. And again, these are also offered at a really good price point. So a good quality basic at a good price. Would highly recommend picking a few of these up. I know this long sleeve comes in different colors. They also have a micro rib that is a ribbed long sleeve. Those are also one of my favorites as well. Then as far as shoes go, I got this beautiful pair of black loafers. They are seriously so beautiful. Everlane shoes are always like super comfortable, and these are gonna match with pretty much everything I have. They also come in different colors. So I definitely recommend those if you're in the market for some basic flats that are gonna match everything within your wardrobe. When it comes to the next two pieces, I definitely saved some really good closet staples towards the end of today's video. So for the first one, it's just this ribbed turtleneck. Again, whenever Everlane has like a ribbed fabric, it just hugs the body perfectly. It is so comfortable, perfect amount of stretch in this as well. So I love the really pretty neutral of this, and I love the length. Sometimes when you get shirts like this, the length is a little bit more cropped. I like how this is more of a full length turtleneck. It makes it a little bit more flattering for my personal body type. And again, the neck is super stretchy and comfortable. Sometimes when you get those turtlenecks, the neck portion of it can be a little like tight or restricting, but this is like super soft, and I just know that it is going to be really nice. So this is another one that I wanted to share with you guys. Definitely going to pick this up in another color if they have it, because I love this piece. All right, moving on to the last piece. Last but definitely certainly not least, this is just your classic button-up shirt, but this color, when I saw it, I immediately fell in love. I just thought it was so beautiful. It was gonna look so good on my skin tone, and I just immediately started running outfit ideas with this through my head. And again, a piece that you can dress up or dress down. You can pull it up, kind of tie it, make it a little bit more cropped. You can wear it open, you can layer it. There's just so many things you can do with it. And again, I just really love the color. I believe it's just labeled as a dark brown, but it's like a very deep camel in my opinion. Very perfect for all throughout the year, so I can't wait to style this piece. All right guys, so those were all of my picks from Everlane. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I'll have the links to absolutely everything listed in the description box down below, so be sure to check those out if you're interested in any of these pieces. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!